These are 10 reasons why could Bitcoin fail, and the price would go like this. Of course, you are here for the technology, but the price is kinda interesting too. And if this happened, that would mean you'd have to move back to your parents, since you are balls deep in that coin. So let's get started. First, and the most common reason, Bitcoin is used by criminals. Although this is true, tell me something that isn't. Even the internet before its massive adoption was used by criminals. And look at it now. You cannot imagine a single toilet visit without it. It's not about the technology, but about how you use it. And even if criminals do use it, the FBI can track the payments by looking at sending and receiving addresses and comparing them to the ones they are looking for. So, if you're a criminal, cash might be a better option.
This is not financial advice.
The second one. Bitcoin mining is costly and demands a lot of power. Yeah, that's also true. But did you know that all the Christmas lights in the USA consume as much electricity as Bitcoin mining does? And now I'm talking only about the Christmas lights. Imagine how much electricity, for example, banks consume. The third one. Bitcoin faces significant problems with quantum computers, as they can potentially break its code. Yeah, Bitcoin is encrypted with the SHA-256 cipher, which is also used in banks, airports, and so on. Trust me, Bitcoin would be the smallest problem if they could do it.
But countries can ban Bitcoin.
Well, and how? Imagine some minister calling the Bitcoin office to turn it off. Hey guys, turn that off. I don't like it. And which office? There are thousands of them, making it decentralized. And even if they did it, miners would move to another country, what has also happened many times before. And then they realized it was a bad decision. Bitcoin handles only 6 transactions per second. Well, my Internet Explorer was also slow. And
Look at it now.
it's not safe, there are a lot of thefts. Well, there are a lot of thefts with regular money too. If you really want to send $10,000 to the guy who promises to double it in 2 days, you would do it through a bank as well. I don't think that's a Bitcoin problem. It's being manipulated by Elon Musk and other big guys. Don't worry, it won't last forever. Only assets with low market capitalization can be manipulated, and it's also prohibited. It has high volatility. So did Apple, and look at it now. There isn't a successful company that had low volatility from its IPO till now. If it did, I think it's not as successful as you might think it is. Okay, and what about this? No one uses it.
Oh no, no, no.
Do you think everyone was using credit cards when they came out? Let me tell you the truth, no one did, because it was something new and people don't like new things. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I will be really happy if you decide on liking and commenting. It helps me and also the algorithm to send the video to many more viewers. Have a nice day.